Namaste children, how are you doing? Hope you are all fine by staying back safe at home. Today in this session number 9, we are going to discuss about comparing the rational numbers by representing them on the number line and without representing them on the number line. And also we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 6 under the chapter rational numbers. Children, first is comparing the rational numbers by representing them on the number line. Here is a number line and to the right of 0 we have all the positive rational numbers and to the left of 0 we have all the negative rational numbers. These rational numbers can be compared easily when they are represented on the number line, children. We can easily compare or tell which rational number is greater and which rational number is smaller. For example, here 4 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. In the same way, 1 by 3 is greater than minus 2 by 3. Then minus 1 by 3 is smaller than 4 by 3. In general, we can say that any number on the number line is greater than any other number lying to the left of it. And also, any number on a number line is less than any other number lying to the right of it. Here, whichever is right side to the given rational number is always greater, children. As we move on the number line to the right side, the value of the rational number increases. As we move to the left side of the number line, the value of the rational numbers decreases. Children, we can also compare the rational numbers without representing them on the number line. In our previous classes, we have compared the fractions. In the same way, if the rational numbers are having the common denominators, here for example 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 are having same denominators, that is 7. Therefore, we have to compare only the numerator 2 and 5. 2 is less than 5, children. Therefore, we can write that 2 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. In the same way, we have got minus 6 by 17 and minus 13 by 17. Here, because the denominators are same, we compare only the numerators. The numbers which are greater having negative sign are always smaller, and the numbers having greater value with a negative sign are always bigger. So here minus 6 is greater than minus 13. Therefore, we write minus 6 by 17 is greater than minus 13 by 17. Children, if the denominators of the rational numbers are same or common, then we compare only the numerators and say that which rational number is greater. But here, if the denominators of the rational numbers are different, then the first method is making the denominators equal and then compare. For example, children, here 7 by 5 and 8 by 7 are the rational numbers. We have to observe the denominators are different here. So, in this method what we do is we make the denominators common or equal. How to make them common? By finding the LCM. Here for 5 and 7 LCM is 35. Children, with what number you multiply in the denominator, you get 35. 5 how many times is 35, children? 5 sevens are 35. So we have to multiply the same number 7 in the numerator. 7 sevens are 49. In the same way, the next rational number is 8 by 7. Again in the denominator, we have to make 35, children, so that the two denominators become common here. 7 5s are 35. Multiply with the same number, 8 5s are 40. In this way, we have got 49 by 35 and 40 by 35. We have made the two denominators common. Now compare only the numerators. 49 is greater than 40. Therefore, we can write that 49 by 35 is greater than 40 by 35. So, in the last step, we write 7 by 5 is greater than 8 by 7. Children, in the next problem we have minus 4 by 9 and 5 by minus 6. You can observe here minus 4 by 9 is in the standard form, whereas 5 by minus 6 is not in the standard form. To make it in the standard form, we simply take the minus sign to the numerator, which becomes minus 5 by 6. Now we have two rational number that they are 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 and minus 5 by 6. The two denominators are common, so we take the LCM with the 3 table. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, again 3 1s are, 2 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. LCM is 18, children. Now with what number you multiply in the denominator, you get 18. 9 2s are 18. Multiply the same number in the numerator. Minus into plus is minus. 4 2s are 8. Again in the denominator we want 18. 6 3s are 18. Multiply 3. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So we get minus 8 by 18 and minus 15 by 18. Here the negative numbers we have, and minus 8 is greater than minus 15. Therefore we can write that minus 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by minus 6. In this way, children, when the rational numbers are having different denominators, we make the denominators equal first and then we are going to compare the given rational numbers. Children, we compare the rational numbers if the denominators are different. The first method what we have done is we have converted the denominators into common denominators and then we are going to compare. In the second method, we are comparing the two rational numbers by cross multiplication. Here if there are two rational numbers p by q and r by s, assuming that q and s are positive, then we can write that p into s must be equal to q into r. Children, here let me take one example, 5 by 3 and 2 by 7. If I want to compare these two rational numbers, since the denominators are different, we can also compare the rational numbers by cross multiplying. So what we do here, we cross multiply with 5 into 7 and 3 into 2. Therefore 5 into 7, what is 5 into 7, children? 5 7s are 35, 3 2s are 6. Here we know 35 is greater than 6. Therefore we can write it as 5 by 3 greater than 2 by 7. Children, here you observe minus 5 by 7 is in the standard form, and one more rational number is 4 by minus 9. 4 by minus 9 is not in the standard form. So to convert it, we take minus to the numerator and it becomes minus 4 by 9. Now to compare minus 5 by 7 and minus 4 by 9, we cross multiply. That is minus 5 into 9 must be equal to 7 into minus 4. Then minus into plus is minus, 5 9s are 45, and then plus into minus is minus, 7 4s are 28. Here you can observe minus 28 is greater, therefore we put this symbol. Minus 45 is less than minus 28. In this way we can say that minus 5 by 7 is less than 4 by minus 9. So here you should remember, children, if the rational number is not in the standard form, first we have to convert it in the standard form and then cross multiply and then compare. Now let us solve the problems from worksheet number 6. First question is, determine which rational number is greater in each case. In that first question is 5 by 8 and minus 3 by 7. Children, to determine which rational number is greater in these two rational numbers, if we observe denominators, the denominators are different. So, to determine which is greater, first I am going to cross multiply, children. 5 by 8 and minus 3 by 7. When I cross multiply, I get 5 into 7, and then the right side 8 into minus 3. 5 sevens are 35, plus into minus is minus, 8 threes are 24. Therefore, 35 is greater than minus 24. We can write that 5 by 8 is greater than minus 3 by 7. Or by simply observing also, we can say that 5 by 8 is greater than minus 3 by 7, children. Since 5 by 8 is positive rational number and minus 3 by 7 is negative rational number. If you imagine this on the number line, you will get the answer as 5 by 8 is greater than minus 3 by 7. Children, next is the pair 2 by 3 and 8 by 9. Here, when I cross multiply, I have to write 2 into 9 and 3 into 8. So, 2 9s are 18, 3 8s are 24. We can say that 24 is greater than 18. Therefore, 2 by 3 it must be less than 8 by 9. Children, next pair is minus 4 by 3 and minus 6 by 7. When I cross multiply, I get minus 4 into 7 and 3 into minus 6. Minus into plus is minus, 4 sevens are 28. Plus into minus is minus, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, minus 18 is greater than minus 28. In the last step, we will write minus 4 by 3 is less than minus 6 by 7. Children, next pair is minus 8 by 3 and 19 by minus 6. The first rational number is in the standard form, whereas 19 by minus 6 is not in the standard form. To make it in the standard form, take minus sign to the numerator. Now, I have to compare minus 8 by 3 and minus 19 by 6. To compare, first step is cross multiplying. Minus 8 into, children, minus 8 into 6 and 3 into minus 19. Minus into plus is minus, 8 6 are 48. Plus into minus is minus, 19 3s are 57. The number having smaller value with negative sign is the greater number, children. Now, minus 48 is greater than minus 57. Therefore, in the last step, we take the two rational number minus 8 by 3 is greater than 19 by minus 6. Children, next rational number is minus 3 by minus 13 and minus 5 by 21. Here, first let us write them in the standard form by taking out the minus sign, because minus divided by minus is plus 3 by 13. Minus divided by minus is plus 5 by 21. Now take these two rational numbers and cross multiply. 3 into 21 and 13 into 5. 21 3s are 63, 13 5s are 65. Here 63 is less than 65. Therefore, we write minus 3 by minus 13 is less than minus 5 by minus 21. Children, next is minus 7 by 1 and 5 by minus 8. The question is only 7. Sorry children, question is minus 7 by 11 and 5 by minus 8. Here 5 by minus 8 we write the standard form as minus 5 by 8. Now cross multiply, children. Minus 7 into 8 and 11 into minus 5. Minus into plus is minus. 7 8s are 56. Minus into plus is minus. 11 5s are 55. Here minus 55 is greater. Therefore, we compare the two rational numbers. Minus 7 by 11 is less than 5 by minus 8. Children, In this session, we have completed comparing rational numbers, and also we have solved the problems from worksheet 6 first main. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.